Hi, I'm Catherine from Organized by Catherine. Do you love decorating for Halloween but hate storing away all the decorations for next year? Here's some easy tips to help you with your Halloween storage. Right? Step 1. Gather up all your outdoor decorations. We're eventually going to put them in a bin, and you want to make sure they're nice and dry before you pack them away. It'll be easier when you go to take out the bin next year if you have all your outdoor stuff together, just easier to carry out into the yard and set up. Separate your indoor stuff. We're going to create another bin for stuff that has electrical cords, batteries, costumes, fabric, things that you need to store indoors to protect them. Step 2. Some of the things we buy, when you take them out of their original packaging, they don't fit back into their original packaging. So if you have a lot of components of things that go together, these are pumpkin carving tools, get a Ziploc bag, put them in, and they'll be a lot easier to find next year. Step 3. Remember to take the batteries out of all devices. That's because the batteries could corrode if you leave them in there for more than a year. When you have the batteries out, just put them in a Ziploc bag and store them with the item. That way you can reuse the batteries next year and you don't have to go searching for more batteries. Step 4. It's time to put everything in a bin. You want to store all your outdoor items together. I prefer clear bins because it's easier to see what you have in there when it's on the shelf. Start with the largest items and then just stick the smaller items on top. So the final step is to label your bin. If you don't have a label maker, roll of green tape and a Sharpie work just as well. If you need help organizing any of the space in your home or your business, please contact me through my website, organizedbycatherine.ca, or Google Organized by Catherine.